What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. So as you guys can tell, we're on our way to Glamis. Got the RV all nice and set up. The RZR's loaded up and ready to go. Hopefully we have a good time out there. Getting our first stop in just to double check all our straps, make sure nothing has flown out. Sorry if the camera's all over the place, but like I said, we're checking our first little stop just to check the straps and everything, make sure everything's okay. Make sure we haven't lost anything. So far, so good. So far, so good. We have, wrong angle. Let me see. We have about 2.5 hours to go, and we should be out there by 3 p.m. So probably pick this up out there or once we're fueling in Mecca. And we made it, guys. We are out in Glamis. Finally made it. It was a good little drive. Edna, well, that's the nickname of our RV. Edna performed perfectly fine, got us here, and yeah, we made it. It is extremely windy, probably about, according to weather app, about 20 miles per hour winds, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna try to make the best of it and enjoy our trip. I know they are having RZR Days out here today, or this weekend, so we'll see if we meet up with some of the people over there and mingle, but see what we show you guys. So far, we made it, guys. I haven't been out here in about, I'll say 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, something like that. So glad to be back. Let me unload all the stuff and get back. Good morning, YouTube. So unfortunately, yesterday we didn't get to record much. We got here and unfortunately, little Edna had a problem with the window. The little rail with the guide, something broke in there, so we weren't able to put the window up. So the whole right here, we had the window down. Eventually, when we got here, I took off the panel, zip tied it, and well, it's up now, but we'll have to fix it when we get back. The other thing is, as soon as we got here, we had some lunch, and right after lunch, I was tired. So by the time I checked, the RZR family was out on their, what was it, a sunset ride at 5:30, and we were finishing lunch around 5:30 something. So we didn't get a chance to do anything. Did a little night ride. Might have some footage, I don't know what came out. And yeah, so the other thing is, right before we came, the day before we came, we actually scored some paddles. I had some spare wheels that I had just bought just because of our accident at El Mirage's last time that we were out there. And there's stuff everywhere on the floor. just because we had that accident that we popped that tire. So I went ahead and bought some spare wheels, spare tires. That way I could have spares. The day I went to go get them mounted, I'll show you guys, we got 2 new ones for the back, that way they're matching. Anyways, the day I went to go get them mounted at the tire shop, little tire shop, had 2 paddle tires just chilling. They had them on like on a stack of old truck tires. They're just those 2 on top. Got to an agreement, we made a deal with the tire owner, the tire shop owner, and we're on paddles now. So the previous RZR, the XP that we had, we never ran paddles. We didn't get a chance. I had bought them, but I never got a chance to run them. So we're running them now. We used to run on 4x4, all knobbies. Game changer. This is completely, absolutely amazing. Way better with paddles. So today we're getting some breakfast in right now. Do some breakfast, and then we will be trying to meet up with the RZR family, see what we get into, go mingle with them, see who we meet. You know, there's a few guys out here, so we'll see what we end up showing you guys and what we end up doing. Try to show as much as possible.
one life like this.
Winning ticket number is 4831. 4831. Hey, he just won this and he said raffle it off again. Definitely not winning.
It was just like,
All right, Levi says winning king ticket is 1467. 1467.
Next.
Paddle tires.
Ari, help me out.
Can I see it already? Winning ticket number 4016. Lucky number 4003. 4003.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I showed you guys a little bit of the whole RZR Days or RZR Days. We were over there, we did the little raffle, we joined them for a while. About to get some lunch in right now, and then we're probably gonna try to find Sunset Hill. I haven't been here in a while, and usually I'm following a group, so I don't know exactly how to get there by myself, but that's what we're trying to do. Sunset Hill or probably Olds later. I did hear that they're gonna have a night ride at 9, so we might even hit that. But we're gonna get some lunch in right now and figure it out.
Gotta feel it, you don't mean it, while you're sad right now. I gotta feel it, there's something about your eyes. I gotta feel it, I don't mean it, I don't mean it, I don't. Every time you hurt me, it makes me feel alive. Every time you say you love me, there's something about your eyes. I gotta feel it, I don't mean it. Feel it, I don't mean it. Gotta feel it, I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Every time you hurt me, it makes me feel alright. Every time you say you love me, there's something about your eyes. I gotta feel it, I don't mean it. Feel it, I don't mean it. I gotta feel it, I don't mean it. I don't mean it. I don't. Every time you hurt me, it makes me feel alright. Every time you say you
Tundra, what is that, a Land Rover?
Yeah, it looks like a Land Rover.
And a Lexus. That's crazy.
Is that fucker gonna come up here?
I think so. They are. The Tundra's coming. Like nothing.
Quiet.
Little Asian. Oof.
Oof.
That looks crazy. That motherfucker wild for that. We're over here afraid in a fucking RZR. Yeah, it was. That happened. That one's nice. Huh? Those are nice. That gray one is really nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's gonna conclude our first successful Glamis trip. It was very successful. Very great. Showed you guys a little bit of dunes. Fortunately, we didn't get to do everything we wanted to. Didn't even get to go to swing set. I missed most of the rides or the ride outs. We're just enjoying ourselves out here during our little vacation. So we did what we did with what we could and how we could. But we'll be back definitely to enjoy everything once again with the family. We'll bring everyone out. But for now, that's gonna be it. We enjoyed as much as we could. Did everything we wanted. As far as being safe, having our meals, didn't run out of water, didn't run out of fuel, everything was great. Didn't get in no accidents, thank God. So now we're just gonna get started on our trip back home, go find somewhere to pump, and yeah, that'll conclude our weekend. But as always, guys, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.